Okay, so this is not as intimidating as it looks. I have 4 chairs here, and I just did a test run and put one of them together to kind of see how it would come out, and check it out. It's beautiful. This is the green. It's a kind of a nice like blue green to it, and it's absolutely beautiful. The quality looks great. It's a nice comfortable deep seat to it. I just think it's gonna be wonderful. We definitely get inclement weather here, and snow will be coming soon, so I can fold these up and tuck them away and bring them back out when I have a barbecue or friends over or anything like that. So this is the next chunk to tackle. It takes about half an hour to build one. I actually expect that now that I know the process, these all together might take an hour total. The directions are very clear. Ignore this, I've kind of got my setup going, but they're actually really, really clear. And it's a lot easier than I expected. I brought out tools and everything, and I haven't had to use it except for these that came with it and this. So overall, great purchase, super happy. Thanks so much.
Put together exactly as instructions say. All the nuts and bolts, but it's flimsy. If you sit in it, okay, the plugs are in, but the plugs don't secure anything. And if you look at the picture, and even the instructions say just stick it in, but if you look underneath, it doesn't match up. And we changed the bolts around, changed the screws around. This does not fit all the way in, which leaves it flimsy. It's pretty, that's why I gave it 2 stars. Would not buy again.
There are the assembly instructions. Unfortunately, it is not easy to assemble. This is what it just says. It's hard to figure out how to line things up. But it does come like well labeled. I have to give them that. So it does come well labeled, but the light pink is not light pink at all, and the assembly is not easy.